Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best calligraphy pens that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Bianyo metallic brush marker pens, 10 colors calligraphy pens. These brush marker pens are flexible to use with a set of 10 different colors and best for scrapbooking. It is a kind of watercolor paints brush-based ink, contained with non-toxic and acid-free, that would not affect the user's health. This product provides such a soft brush tip with a line width that makes users easily use or DIY. The inks are quality with smooth, opaque, and not streaky. With its flexibility, this product can work on various things, even glass stones, plastic wood, especially on anything black. Moving on at number 4, we have the 2 dual-tip black brush pens for lettering calligraphy pens. Are you looking for a perfect calligraphy pen for handwriting and drawing? This calligraphy pen can offer you more flexibility with dual brushes in one pen, including fine and bold tips. It is a set of 2 black brush markers. It is a firm tip, nibs, and ink made in Japan with smooth ink that is perfectly used for handwriting or drawing. Regarding its ink, it contains non-toxic ink, solid wet ink flow with vivid black color. Within its flexible tip, allows users to create and express their beautiful strokes with minimal efforts. Moreover, the pens are designed in the look of classic and stylish. At number 3, we have the Kuretake calligraphy pens. The Kuretake Zig calligraphy pen by Kuretake is recognized as a manufacturer of high-quality stationery products with Japan design. It is unique with multi-color inks perfect for you to create your own hand. This product is designed with twin calligraphy markers in one, for large and small letter drawing. It is even attractive with 12 different colors that are great for calligraphy. More than this, it is able to go smoothly and vibrantly. It looks professional for all kinds of users, even beginners in drawing and decoration. Besides this, users are able to mix color and blend with more than 2 colors together without worrying. It is convenient with bendable water-based ink that is easy to blend, blur, and dry. Moreover, the colors are quality control with density and durability. At number 2, we have the hand lettering Pens-Boxun 4 sizes refillable calligraphy pen. The hand lettering pen by Boxun is quick, convenient with its 4 types of the tip, extra fine, fine, medium, and brush. That is the best feature of this product, that provides different brush tips for different lettering and drawing techniques. This product is a wide usage that is great for calligraphy, hand lettering, and drawing for all kinds of users, especially beginners. More than this, the ink is refillable with non-toxic and water-based. Within these refillable pens, it provides users more benefits in saving money. The pens are pigmented black ink. Moreover, it is highly guaranteed with quality as well. And finally at number 1, we have the Daveliou Calligraphy Pen Set. The calligraphy pen set by Daveliou is best for calligraphy writing and perfectly used as a gift as well. The packaging and design look luxurious and professional. There are 19-piece pens, inks with nibs, kit and case, wood and glass dipping pens as a set. Within a set, it also consists of 12 nibs and 5 non-toxic ink. This calligraphy pen set is wide usage, ranging from kids, adults, beginners to professional users. Besides this, the nib holders allow nibs to be changed. It provides such smooth flowing ink, without scratchy on hand and rough blotchy ink. It is perfectly on glass or wooden nib holders to dispense ink and go more smoothly in thickness lines. Moreover, it makes your art and handwriting more creative with a dip pen set and quality guarantee ink. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.